we have hit the jackpot. Oh my gosh, it's freezing! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Faith. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am taking you with me to TJ Maxx. I do this from time to time on my channel. I have not done one in a very long time though, and we definitely are due for one. So I'm hoping there's a lot of new stuff because I have not gone to TJ Maxx and looked in the makeup section in probably 2 months. So I'm really hopeful that we find some good stuff and some good deals. If as you watch you like what you see and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would consider doing so before you leave here. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button, totally free, just means you're following me, and then tap that notification bell as well. I love my notification squad. Shout out to you guys who always comment right away. I love you guys. But yeah guys, that is it. Let's hit the road. Let's get to TJ Maxx. There is way less snow in this video than my last vlog. I filmed a what I eat in a day video like a week ago, and we had probably 3 feet of snow. There it is, guys. It's waiting for us. Oh, good. It looks like nobody's here. Need some apple. I need to fuel up before we go on this adventure, so. Good old Honeycrisp. Organic apple. It looks really organized today. First thing I see, which is definitely new, I've never seen Makeup Revolution in my TJ Maxx. Makeup Revolution is a drugstore brand, but it's even cheaper than the regular drugstore price, so it's $4.99. This is pretty new, I thought. This is the Ultra Cool Glow Highlighter Palette from Makeup Revolution, so that's cool to see here. They also have the Makeup Revolution Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Bronzer. It's $3.99, so it's normally $5. It's like $1 off. Next is a bunch of NYX products, which I normally do see NYX products here, but not this much. And again, this is normally affordable, but it's like even more affordable here. So instead of $10, it's like $8. This is the go-to palette. So it has eyeshadows, a highlight, blush, and bronzer. It's kind of cool. This is the Contour Intuitive palette. So it looks like 2 highlights, a blush, and then some eyeshadows. And this is $8.99, normally $12. Real Technique sponges are some of my favorite makeup sponges to use, and they always have them here, so definitely try and check that out. This is a 4-pack that's normally $16, and it's on sale for $12.99. Love these sponges, really good. So I see some Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is always exciting. I do normally find Anastasia Beverly Hills products here at my TJ Maxx. This is one of their blush trios. I actually got 2 blush trios from here, from this TJ Maxx before. This is $10.99, normally $15, and it's the Pink Passion one. So I actually already own this, but I wanted to point that out. I also have a stick foundation here. The shade is Fawn. Ooh, this is actually the shade I've been looking for. I hear it's really good for contour if you're more fair, so I think I might get this. It's $9.99, normally $15. I'm not sure if this compare at price is always right, but it's $9.99, and again, this Fawn shade I've heard is really good for cream contour. They also have a lip gloss for $7.99, and this is the shade Amber. So I always find some good Anastasia products here. I did mention that in my latest video where I talk about my favorite liquid lipsticks. I found a ton of liquid lipsticks here. I will see if I can find any today, but they always have some really good Anastasia Beverly Hills products here, so definitely be on the lookout for those. I found this from Becca. It kind of looks beat up, so I have to check and see if it's been beat up, but this is the Multitasking Perfecting Powder in Deep Bronze. It's on sale for $7.99. I found a bunch of products from Bobbi Brown, which is really cool. I don't normally find a ton of Bobbi Brown here. This is an eyeshadow for $7.99. This is a nourishing lip color, $9.99. And then this is a creamy concealer kit for $11.99. They only have deeper shades like honey, but I thought I'd point that out. This is a really cool find. This is the Too Faced Candlelight Glow Highlighting Powder. It's the rosy one, so I'm guessing it's like a rose gold highlighting powder. And this is only $10.99. I've been interested in trying the Candlelight highlighters, so I think I might pick this up. I found this from Becca. This is their Volcano Goddess line. It was like a release a few months ago, I think. And this is the Metaphoric Gold Lip Gloss. It looks like this, super pretty. There's no price on it though, so I'm not exactly sure how much it is, but I did also find this lip gloss from MAC. It's one of their lip glasses and it's on sale for $7.99. I've heard these are really good and really shiny. There's a ton of Buxom lipsticks, matte lipsticks it looks like, in these shades for $5.99. That's a really good price. I love when I find Bareminerals products here. This is their Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. It's not in my shade, but I would definitely try this if it was. And the price on this is only $5.99. That's crazy. I also found one of their concealers. This is their 16-Hour Bare Pro Full Coverage Concealer. The shade is medium neutral. It's probably a little dark for me, but $5.99, so a really good price. I've actually gotten this here before. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured Cream, so it's like a creamy, almost like sort of like liquid highlight. This is in Prosecco Pop, and it's $9.99. I did actually already get this here once though, but I wanted to point out that it is still here at my store. I did end up finding a liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I think there's some more back here as well. This is in the shade Stripped. I've actually been looking for this shade. I might get this. $7.99 for that. Really good formula, definitely one of my favorites. I found a couple brushes. This one is from Marc Jacobs. It's their Seamless Foundation Brush, and it's only $10. And then this one is from Kat Von D, and it's a contour brush, and it's only $12.99. So a couple really good high-end brushes. You guys know I love sleek makeup. They have a kit here that is, I guess, $15? I'm not totally sure, but that's a really good highlighter, and I love the matte liquid lipsticks. We have hit the jackpot. First off, there's a ton of the Bareminerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundations. I've been dying to try this, and this is actually my summer shade, so I think I'm definitely going to get it. It's only $9.99, and the shade Camel is the shade I use in their powder foundation, so I'm assuming this would work for me. But definitely picking this up. I've been dying to try this. I hear it's a really, really good liquid foundation. They also have the Too Faced Peach Collection Cheek Melting Powder Blush in So Peachy. This is $10.99 here. I was really interested in this collection. I might get this as well. They also have two eyeshadow palettes from Bareminerals, the copper one and the latte one. I've been really wanting to try the Bareminerals eyeshadow palettes. These are only $10 each, so I might look into getting these. They also have a Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. The shade is beige. I don't think it's my shade, but I wanted to point it out. It's $12.99. There's also two lipstick sets from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love their matte lipsticks, and these are both matte lipstick sets. These are the shades that are included in each one. The smaller one is $15, and the larger one is $16.99. I think I would get this one of the two because I like these shades better. They're so pretty. They also have the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette. It looks like this, and it's $15. It looks like it's been marked even more down than normal. And they also have the Glimmer one too, so the one that is all of the shimmer shades, I think. And this is $27.99. They also have a cream contour palette from Kat Von D, the Shade and Light Cream Contour, so like a face palette. And this is $24.99. They also have a ton of Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kits. This is in the light shade, and it's $16.99. And then this is just the regular contour kit, the powder one, I believe, in light to medium, and it's $16.99. And then they have so many cargo palettes. I've heard that these are really good eyeshadow palettes. So they have the Namaste one, the Aloha one, what's this one? Summer in the City, and the Enjoy Every Moment one. It looks like these are $7.99 each. Yeah, they're all $7.99. Oh, there's more up here too. This is Emerald City. This is Chill in the something. And then this is a All That Glitters eyeshadow palette, and they're all $8. I also found this from Smashbox. This is a foundation and contour stick for $12.99. So that is about it for makeup. I always love to check the skincare section too though, so I'm gonna do that now. Shiseido is a really nice brand. This is $35. It's their Pro Fortifying Softening Lotion. Really nice. They also have a purifying mask. I might be interested in this. It's $19.99. It says it's normally $32. I have a feeling it might be more than that. I'm not sure that the compare price is actually correct, but they also have a wrinkle resist night emulsion for $39.99. I also found some Kate Somerville all the way in the corner here. Kate Somerville is a really good skincare brand that I love. This is the Wrinkle Warrior mask, and it's $19.99. And they also have the clarifying toner, and this is $12.99. That's a really, really good deal. This is more for oily skin. I don't have oily skin, but wanted to point it out. This is a really nice fragrance from Philosophy. It's the Grace fragrance. $7.99 for this. Really, really nice find. I've said this before in these TJ Maxx videos, but if you're ever just looking for like a beauty oil, nothing too crazy, check these out. Like this vitamin C beauty oil, it's only $5. This rose beauty oil, they're pretty standard. As long as you look at the ingredients, like this one actually kind of has a lot of ingredients, but there's some that are pretty natural. Like here's a cool one. This is a 24 karat gold sparkling oil serum, and the ingredients list isn't bad. It says it's paraben free and hypoallergenic. So this is one that I would maybe pick up, and I think it's like $5-6. Yeah. I also always love to check out the hair section, like the shampoo and conditioner section, because they have some really nice brands for a good price. So this is the Living Proof Timeless Shampoo. It's $14.99. This is normally like gotta be $25-30. They also have a product from the Dry Bar, which is a really nice Sephora hair care brand. This is only $10. It's like a leave-in spray conditioner of some sort. I also found this from Living Proof. It's like a pre-shampoo treatment. You put it all through your hair before you go in the shower. I'm assuming it's like a mask that you would put on, and it's only $3.99. This would be really fun to try. I think I might get this. Okay, I am weirdly excited about this just because I've seen other people on YouTube find high-end lash brands at their TJ Maxx, and I never have. But this is from Lily Lashes. Lily Lashes is a nicer lash brand, and this is their lash adhesive. It's like a brush-on lash adhesive for $4.99. So I don't know why. I'm just really excited about that. Okay guys, so I finished my little trip there. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me. I think we found some really good stuff. It was kind of like all in that last section where I found a ton of like big ticket items on sale at TJ Maxx. So I think all in all, it was a really, really good day. I can't wait to try some of the things I got. What I am most excited to try is this foundation from Bareminerals. I did end up picking this up, and again, it was only $10. So I will let you guys know if I do like this. I also got this. I wandered into the little baby section. I am currently 5 months pregnant, if you didn't know that. I think I'm gonna be doing like a gender neutral baby clothing haul on my channel because I'm not finding out the gender of our baby. I actually have a video on that and a bunch of other pregnancy related videos that I will put the like pregnancy playlist for down below. But if you guys want to see a gender neutral baby clothing haul, let me know. I have a bunch of other cute little clothing items that I'd love to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this TJ Maxx trip. It felt really good to do one of these again. I know I said in the beginning, I haven't done one of these in so long, and I know that you guys love them. So give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and if you want me to continue doing these on my channel, maybe next time I can hit up Marshalls or something like that, see if Marshalls has anything cool, new, and exciting. Other than that though, guys, I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one, hopefully. Bye!